Hey friends, if your computer is stuck in a restarting loop, an endless reboot loop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. What can trigger this actually? I think other than a virus, but to isolate the case with a virus, just run the malware removal tool. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type MRT, hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, full scan, next once again, and let it scan through. But if this doesn't help, then the next one is to disconnect peripherals from your system. What would disconnecting peripherals do? Disconnecting peripherals will make sure that devices like printers, scanners, cameras do not push their drivers to the system, and that usually causes conflict. So this is what disconnecting peripherals will do. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all. Click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, update Windows. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.